In the previous video, I shortly mentioned pricing for Business Central subscription. And in this video, I'd like to go through the licensing options in more details. Even if you don't make the licensing and subscription decision in your organization, it's still worth watching this video to understand how different options may work for you. There is a detailed licensing guide by Microsoft available on Business Central website, and to download this doc, you will need to follow the link or simply Google Business Central pricing page and click this black button right below the pricing details. Yes, the prices on this page are in Australian dollars, and there are three options mentioned on the page: Essential, Premium, and Team members. We will discuss them in detail shortly. So, with the Essential subscription, you are getting access to financial management that also includes all the items mentioned in the table here. You'll get AI, CRM, e-services like bank feeds, document management, maps, etc. and HR management, project management, SCM or supply chain management, warehouse management, and inventory management, as well as all additional capabilities like reporting, queues, workflows, and etc. And with the premium subscription, you're also getting service order management and functionality to manage your manufacturing. Both these licenses allow you to add 3 external accountants, have multiple companies, I believe at this stage it's 300 max, and utilize AI for your advanced analytics. There is another thing about your Business Central instance you need to know. The database is limited by 80 gigs for the data storage, and this includes your production environment and all these sandboxes. And every subscription extends this limit by 3, 2 or 1 extra gig. So that means that every premium user extends that by 3 gigs, Essential 2 gigs, and a device subscription by 1 gig. What would happen if you run out of the storage capacity? Well, Microsoft will not automatically charge you for the add-ons, nor it stops your transactions. So you could continue using this software. However, you won't be able to create new environments, nor copy them or transfer the data between them. Still, if you run out of the storage, you got options to clean up the data or extend the capacity with the add-ons. That's 1 gig or 100 gigs. 1 gig would cost you around $10 while 100 gigs would cost you around $500, meaning $5 per gig. And there are usually many questions around the team member licensing. The best description for whom this license may suit best would be a professional in your team who carries a single function, who performs a single function. This professional will be able to access all the data in BC as well as update some records. Approve or reject tasks in all workflows, limitly, create, edit and delete a sales or purchase quote, create, edit and delete personal information, edit job timesheets for approval, and more details you can read in the document attached. In addition, Microsoft provides device license that allows multiple users to use a single device, and those might be useful as POS, as store manager on shop floor, or for warehouse functions. Also, limited Power Platform opportunities provided with the BC licenses. Particularly Essential and Premium users can access and create Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power Pages, while team members can only trigger Power Automate flows by default. And finally, Microsoft also provides an option to subscribe external users, such as off-site vendors, like let's say IT help desk. This will also save your costs. Please note that outsourcing companies, independent contractors, and external accountants are not covered by this license type. And in the next video, I'll show you how to organize Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central and Microsoft 365 trial accounts.